In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive files offline. Have you ever faced the frustration of needing to access a crucial document, but you're in a spot with poor or no internet connection? Well, accessing your Google Drive files offline can be a lifesaver. Let's walk you through the process so you never have to find yourself in such a bind again. First, ensure you're signed in with your Google account. This is the cornerstone of accessing any of your Google services, including Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, visit the Google Drive homepage and log in with your credentials. Make sure it's the correct account if you have more than one. Once you're in, you're ready to dive into the world of offline accessibility. Next, in your web browser, open Google Drive. You'll see your main dashboard displaying all the files and folders you have stored in the cloud. Now identify the specific file or folder you want to make available offline. This could be anything, from a work presentation you'll need during a meeting in a Wi-Fi dead zone, to your travel itinerary. Look through your list of files or use the search bar for quicker navigation. Once you've found the file or folder, hover over it and right-click to bring up the menu options. Right-clicking here is key as it opens up the context menu where you'll see various options. Keep your eyes peeled for Available Offline. If the option is visible, click it. This action marks your selected file or folder to be available even when you're not connected to the internet. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when opting files for offline access. First, ensure you have Google Drive for Desktop installed on your computer. This application allows files you've chosen to be synchronized for offline usage. Additionally, for mobile devices, having the Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides app, depending on the type of file, will ensure you can access and edit them offline too. It's also worth noting that not every file type can be accessed offline. So, make sure to double-check that the files you choose are compatible with this feature. Also, keep an eye on the storage space on your device. Having numerous files marked for offline access can take up quite a bit of local storage. There you have it. A seamless way to ensure your crucial documents are at your fingertips, regardless of your internet connectivity. This little trick can save you time and stress, ensuring that whether you're on a plane, in the wilderness, or in a crowded conference room, your documents are always just a click away. Thanks for watching and happy file management.